Welcome to Doogma Arena, your ultimate platform for creating custom sports uniforms with ease and style. Choose your creative playground. Craft manually with classic, or harness speed and depth with 3D and AI. Start with AI-generated designs in suggestion, or build from scratch. Rotate, zoom, and perfect every angle in stunning 360-degree detail. In your Uniform Options button, add your team's name, city, and pride with front and back layout options. Choose from 10 bold stripe styles to give a unique look. Then you can add 8 eye-catching patterns: camo, abstract, energy, faded stripes, and more. Mix primary, secondary, and accent colors from 25+ shades. Scroll down for AI-powered color themes to match your vision. In front layout, you can choose from 6 different styles for the team's name, city, and pride. You can also do the same in the back layout and give your uniform a unique look. Not satisfied? Return to the patterns or stripes to make sure everything looks just right before adding it to your cart. When every detail shines, hit Add to Cart. Your dream uniform is ready. Doogma empowers users to create, innovate, and bring their boldest design visions to life through cutting-edge tools and expert collaboration. Craft, innovate, dominate. Doogma Arena.